out here in Coquitlam, replacing the battery on this 2018 Nissan Armada. It's a 5.6 liter V8. The client wanted to get to work in the morning. He started the vehicle, it wouldn't start. He said that he wanted a diagnosis. We came out, we did a diagnosis. Turns out it's a weak battery, it's a dead battery. So we'll be putting in a new battery for this vehicle, and then he should be able to drive it to work tomorrow. Again, it's a 2018 Nissan Armada. The battery is right out here. It's a pretty easy switch. Just 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 nuts for the terminal, 2 nuts for the clamp, and you can just swap the battery. The battery swap is now complete. We went ahead, we bought a new battery. So the client didn't have one. This is the new battery. So it's relatively simple. It's just 2 10mm nuts of the clamp, and then 2mm nuts of the battery terminals, and the vehicle is up and running now. We did try it and start it. The client did take it for a test drive, and it's all good to go now. Now the client can take this to work tomorrow. Again, this is a 2018 Nissan Armada. It's a V8 5.6 liter engine. So do give us a call if you want any battery replacement, battery diagnosis, pre-purchase inspections, brake pads, alternators, rotors, starter replacements, and we'll do it right out of your location, as we did for this client out here in the visitors parking of their house.